Hey, Gelatin! How do you like our new home?
I would say it's pretty rad. The grass here is softer than before. And if you squish it with your feet in the right way, it makes a cool squeaky sound. Watch.
Okay, I think I've seen enough. Bye! Hey, Gelatin! How do you like our new home? What about you, Lollipop? Feeling comfortable?
I was until you showed up.
What? That's mean! Voters, you'd better take note of this!
Says the person who got eliminated for inflating our teammate to death.
Thank you for standing up for me!
It's just my duty to protect any sphere on a cylinder.
What?
Then you guys just high five?
Um,
No high fives! Only high fours!
I only count one.
One is still not four!
Oh, 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 oh!
Then you guys just...
This is so dumb. 4, can you just tell us what's going on with the competition? So many of us are very confused.
Agreed.
Ruby, put your times tables away. 4, clarification, please. Hello? 4? They seem unresponsive.
Step aside, Taco. I know what 4 needs right now.
This is so dumb.
Do. 4, what's wrong? You look depressed.
Oh, I don't know. I just don't know what I am. Where my co-host is.
Then let's go to the... Wait, what?
4, did you just ask where your co-host is?
Do.